Come on. Oh, let's see if we can. Let's see if we can get you through here, okay? Come on. Come on, it's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. That's a good boy.
All set?
Just gotta get the leash off here.
This is how we air out the poopy smell. It's his biggest fan. Hi, puppy. You ready for your freedom ride? Leg 2.
Let's see this.
This is where you have to change planes.
Oh, can I? Hello. Hello.
Open this door, open this door.
So this is our tough customer
Let's see.
who didn't want to go in his crate, but he's doing okay now. Although we have a tougher customer still loaded up. He's still got the cover over the crate in there.
Mister, probably not. We'll just leave that in there with you for a minute while we get the other guys settled into their box crates. Maybe you can get a drink before we hit the road. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Huh? Come on. Come on.
Nice. Okay, we're in the side yard for a safe transfer on this one. No chance of anybody getting away here.
Yeah, it looks like he vomited here. Probably got cars.
Do you want to lift the top off?
Come on.
No, never mind. You're good.
See how firm he is. You gonna snark at me?
This thing snaps off really easily. And you can just pick him up.
Yeah, we'll see if he's.
Those front ones are a little tricky.
We'll need to take it apart to clean it anyhow.
Yep.
Okay. Come on. Come on. Right there. Let me just see if I can just.
All right.
Because once we hit the trail, that's going to be it for the water till we get home. Maybe we'll make one stop. There you go. But you probably won't drink through all. Okay, so can I get an extra set of hands on that side, please? And just can you get on the other side.
Yep.
Oh, you want to do something like that? Okay.
You gonna go back?
Let's just set him here for a minute. Oh, that's a good boy. Good boy.
Can I take a picture of you guys? A little PR here.
Sure. This is your friend's surprise birthday gift. Hi. Oh, you're a friendly guy.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, what a good boy.
Look at that.
What a good boy. Yeah, you're happy to be out of that box, huh? Yes, you are. You are a happy guy.
Somebody else wants to be out too.
Oh, you actually have a collar on. Good. We have a.
All right, he just
fairly long
relieved
ride.
himself.
Perfect.
Ready for the long trek.
Wait. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on.
Oh, I really don't want to do that.
Come on. Come on.
There you go.
Good. Up. He actually has a collar on. Good boy.
That's a good boy.
Good boy. That was pretty smooth.